We were on the outskirts of a town known as Knysna when we chanced upon a steam locomotive quaintly known as Choo Tjoe. South Africa's rail system was widely developed by the British, and it is here that you can experience some of the greatest train journeys on Earth. A rare sight was the old turntable, where our steam engine was slowly spun around to face a new direction. We then climbed aboard and drifted back through time.
This is the Choo Choo train and we're chugging our way along the south coast of the Western Cape, from the town of George to Knysna, a place in the woods.
Over lakes and bridges we rolled and chugged our way into the town of Knysna. Dominated by its beautiful lagoon and the spectacular heads which guard it from the sea, Knysna is an attractive seaside town. Originally built as a port from which to export timber harvested from the coastal forests, Knysna is now very much a protected tourist destination. We made our way to the lagoon for a boat trip to another shore for a forest walk. We also made some new friends along the way.
The first one was the original clubhouse.
So this is a nice spot to bring the family for an outing. Huh?
Yes, we've come for Casey's birthday,
Yep.
and we're going to go now on a trail up to the hill, through the bush. We're going to do a bushwalk, end up down at the lagoon, and it's just such a beautiful day, and Knysna is such a beautiful place to be.
And a lovely part of South Africa here, isn't it, on the southern coast?
It's beautiful. It's got forests and the lagoon and the sea and beaches. You can ask for more.
What do you think, girls? You enjoy it here?
Yes, very much.
The journey begins slowly and gently on a tourist train that brings you to the start of the trail.
Okay, so this is the bucha tree. This is part of the fynbos family, and if you touch like that, and smell your hand. This is what you're smelling in the air. This is
this lovely aroma, the scent of...
It's very pungent. You smell. It's almost like a curry-like smell.
Okay.
Very good medicinal values. Good for stomach ailments, skin problems, everything.
Renovations and so forth. But they all become quotations straight back to the restaurant. Thank you very much.
Where is that on the triangle? There is one, two.
These are the Knysna Heads, one of the most treacherous river mouths in the world. And 45 ships have run aground trying to come in here to the Knysna Lagoon. And the hillside here is part of the Featherbed Nature Reserve, with milkwood trees and other protected flora and fauna.
It's an easy but steep walk that arrives at a stunning vista. We ventured on to another viewpoint.
One of the most rugged stretches of the Southern Cape Coast, and it's an excellent vantage point to watch the whales when they come into these waters on their annual migration to breed and calve.
There are numerous trails to explore, though this one should be avoided. You'll chance upon some of the other creatures who live here and a vivid array of wildflowers. It was time to head back to our starting point and the promise of a gourmet fresh oyster lunch straight from the lagoon.
So Steve, it's a lovely spot here.
Oh, that's great. We've got the lagoon over here, which is where the Knysna oysters actually are grown in the beds out here. Here are your Knysna lagoon oysters, cultivated here by the Knysna Oyster Company.
In the distance, the Choo Choo train continued its journey, and it was also time for us to move along.